So let's talk a little bit about chocolate. Chocolate has proanthocyanidins and catechins, and we all know that these bioactives in chocolate activate our body's self-defenses, and they can actually activate our metabolism as well.
That's Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained medical doctor specializing in internal medicine, a dedicated research scientist, and a distinguished author. Notably, he has written New York Times bestsellers Eat to Beat Disease and Eat to Beat Your Diet. With an impressive background, Dr. Li is internationally recognized as a Harvard-trained medical professional, researcher, and serves as president and founder of the Angiogenesis Foundation. His pioneering research has left a significant mark, influencing over 70 diseases spanning from cancer, diabetes, blindness, heart disease, and obesity. In today's video, with Dr. Li's help, we delve into the transformative journey of eating dark chocolate every day for a month. Discover the surprising health benefits, from enhanced heart function to improved cognitive abilities, and see how this delightful treat can play a pivotal role in your overall health.
If you take the really dark chocolate, like 73% cacao, the really dark chocolate, and you make it into a high flavanol hot chocolate drink, and you have it twice a day. This was a clinical study. They found in people who wound up actually drinking the hot chocolate twice a day over the course of a month, they doubled the number of stem cells compared to the people who didn't drink hot chocolate, right? And so, so the question is that important? Well, when they measured their blood flow, they found that the blood flow was vastly improved.
Dark chocolate is like a superhero for many people, filled with minerals like iron, magnesium, and zinc. Eating it can bring loads of health benefits, from fighting inflammation to cutting down the risk of heart disease. But remember, these perks shine brightest when you munch on top-notch dark chocolate with a cocoa content of 70% or more. This level ensures you get the maximum advantage out of it. Packed with nutrients that strengthen your body's defenses, dark chocolate can seriously boost your overall health. It's so impressive that it even gets a spot in Dr. William Li's Eat to Beat Disease book as one of the superfoods. But now let's head on to the 7 most important health benefits given by Dr. William Li of eating dark chocolate. Number 7, your blood flow will improve.
It showed that in 60-year-old men with coronary heart disease, bad blood vessels, bad hearts, that if they drank 2 cups of dark, hot cocoa that is really enriched with polyphenols.
Dr. Williams suggests that indulging in a daily dose of dark chocolate could be your shield against diseases like heart attacks. With its cocoa solids ranging from 50% to 90%, it's loaded with plant chemicals known as flavanols. These little powerhouses support the production of nitric oxide, a compound that relaxes blood vessels and enhances blood flow. Dr. William also points out that dark chocolate might help in making blood platelets less sticky, reducing the risk of clots that could lead to heart attacks or strokes. By promoting nitric oxide processing, dark chocolate not only helps in improving blood flow throughout the body, but also benefits the brain. Number 6, your body will produce more good bacteria. You might be wondering how dark chocolate manages to nurture good bacteria while dealing with the bad ones. Well, here's how. Researchers at the University of Reading in the United Kingdom dived into this odd situation by treating 22 healthy volunteers to a beverage packed with high cocoa flavanols over a span of 4 weeks. And what they discovered was quite remarkable. This drink significantly tipped the balance in favor of beneficial bacteria. The levels of friendly lactobacillus skyrocketed by a massive 17.5 times, while bifidobacteria saw a notable increase of 3.6 times. On top of that, lactic acid bacteria, the real chocolate lovers in this tale, thrived, feasting on dark chocolate and churning out anti-inflammatory goodies. Moreover, there was a noticeable decline in the presence of harmful Clostridium histolyticum, known for its association with gangrene, dropping by a factor of 2. Number 5, it can reduce stress.
Before I talk about that, though, let me just tell you.
Does stress affect your stem cells?
Stress can definitely affect our stem cells. High stress will blunt the activity of our stem cells. It's just like stunning them. So they're like, wait a minute, what do I do now?
Believe it or not, stress relief isn't just about video games or indulging in your favorite activities. It can also come in the form of dark chocolate. Surprising, right? According to Dr. William, munching on dark chocolate can actually help reduce biomarkers of anxiety and stress in the body. In a study conducted by researchers at the Netherlands Organization for Applied Scientific Research, high-anxiety individuals were given a daily dose of medium-sized dark chocolate bars filled with Noir Intense, 74% dark cocoa. And after just 2 weeks of consuming it, something remarkable happened. Levels of stress markers like cortisol and adrenaline took a massive drop in their urine samples. So next time if you feel stressed, don't try to waste your time by playing games or buying useless squishy balls. Just buy a dark chocolate filled with cocoa powder and start consuming it. Before we move on, please take a moment to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. If you find our videos helpful, please support us by dropping your comments in the comments section. Number 4, it is anti-angiogenic.
They are made by Mother Nature. They're packed in the food, growing on the plant, and every plant-based food will actually have some type of bioactive. So
Don't get stressed just by looking at the word anti-angiogenic because its meaning is quite simple. Scientists at the University of California at Davis have found something astonishing while researching dark chocolate. Bioactives called procyanidins in cocoa have some serious anti-angiogenic powers. What does that mean? Well, they can put the brakes on the signals that tell blood vessel cells to start forming. Pretty cool, right? But here's the catch. Not all chocolates are created equal, according to research by Dr. William, because the potency of these anti-angiogenic effects can vary depending on factors like sugar levels or the cocoa powder's source. And when Dr. Williams' group compared cocoa from 2 different suppliers, one sample showed twice the anti-angiogenic power of the other. So, next time you're picking out chocolate, remember, not all cocoa is created equal, so make sure to get the right one. Number 3, it's a stem cell recruiting food. Dark chocolate does more than just taste good. It actually helps your body produce more stem cells. Your body naturally makes around 750,000 stem cells every day, but dark chocolate gives it a little boost. Stem cells are like the repair crew for your body, replacing cells damaged by diseases. They can even turn into specific cells to fix tissues.
And studies have shown in humans that the high polyphenol chocolates can increase stem cells in your blood vessels that can help you regenerate. And that's actually good for the heart, for the brain, healthy aging, the whole shebang.
Researchers at the University of California, San Francisco found that people who drank a cocoa-infused chocolate drink twice a day for a month ended up with twice as many stem cells in their bloodstream compared to those who didn't. So why not add a dark chocolate shake to your diet and see the magic happen? Your body could thank you in ways you never imagined. Number 2, it may lower diabetes risk.
So who's going to complain about chocolate? Who's going to complain about tea? Who's going to complain about a Mediterranean diet? I mean, you go out to eat. These are the things we love.
One of the most crucial misconceptions about eating dark chocolate is its supposed link to an increased risk of diabetes. But let's set the record straight. It's actually quite the opposite. Dark chocolate is packed with polyphenols, natural compounds known for their antioxidant properties. These antioxidants work wonders, shielding the body from damage caused by harmful molecules. What's more, the polyphenols in dark chocolate may even enhance insulin sensitivity, improving how well insulin functions in the body. And here's the kicker. Dark chocolate with high cocoa solids content is chock full of antioxidants. These antioxidants not only mobilize stem cells, but also help control blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation, all of which contribute to lowering the risk of diabetes. So if you're worried about your diabetes, there's no need to stress. Just make sure the dark chocolate you're enjoying has low sugar content, and you're good to go. Adding it to your diet can actually boost polyphenol production, which is great for your health. Number 1, your DNA will be better protected. No worries if that phrase seemed a bit tough to grasp. Let's break it down. Just like we saw with diabetes, eating dark chocolate rich in polyphenols can also shield your DNA from oxidative harm, stopping artery hardening and heart disease in their tracks. Your DNA might be fragile and under constant attack, but the antioxidants in dark chocolate, such as flavonols and other polyphenols, step up to the plate and guard your DNA from other bacteria and diseases. They've been found to help repair DNA and boost your body's ability to heal itself. Now, if you would like to learn more about the foods that can give you multiple health benefits, watch this next video where I cover the top 5 foods that slow aging and prevent cancer, as argued by Dr. Mark Hyman.